Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Poco X3 GT device, and now I can show you how to clean USB charging port using household items on this device. To do it, you need to have a toothbrush, because using toothbrush you can damage your USB charging port, and I hope you will not use metal objects, because using metal objects you can damage your USB. So if you wanna clean the USB port, just insert one of the part of toothbrush into the port and just brush dirt out. Great, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.